everyone, today I'd like to talk about value and scale. It's called value scale. How light, how dark. So how to draw a value scale and gradation. Okay, first step is you draw a square or rectangles. I'm going to make 5-step value scale. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to call this value. White is white, 0 is white, 5 is black. So going to black. White is highlight, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you make 3-dimension, so we can use all these value scale. Okay, start first. I'm going to start first light part. Okay, step by step I'm going to make darkest color, darkest value. Okay, do you remember this line practice? I'm going to use this line, okay? Those use the back and forth and okay. Also, you can make 10 step or 20 steps scale. This is value scale. You need to draw even gap between value. Next, gradation scale. Also, you try dark to light, make fade out. Okay, you need to practice this one too. So when you draw cube or sphere, we need to using this value scale. Okay, today I'm done. See you next video. Bye bye.